Tampering with, disabling, and destroying life safety equipment is a felony. It is a very serious crime. If you tamper with, disable, or destroy life safety equipment, then you are going to get punished. For real. Kids that tamper with fire alarms or any other life safety devices in their schools must be punished to the fullest extent possible. Because this is not okay. This is a felony. Those kids should be in jail for stealing life safety equipment. Last school year, there was this devious lick challenge on TikTok. If any of you has TikTok on your phone, please take it off right now. Last year, during the devious lick challenges on TikTok, people were stealing life safety equipment. And that is a felony because in many states, tampering with, disabling, and destroying life safety equipment is a felony. So don't do that. Bye.